So hello everyone, in this video I am going to be talking about how to create a subdomain from HostingGate. So if you are new, if you are if you are a new, it might take a while to do this. So to do this you need to log into the HostingGate. So right now I already log in here. Then you need to click on website. Okay, if you have a lot of website, then you need to click just manage, because under this domain I want to create a subdomain. Okay, so that's why I just click on manage, then go to the domain, then click on subdomain. Then I already have a subdomain. Okay, so but right now I will create a new one. So project, this is my subdomain prefix. Okay, it will be project.readernotes.com, like that. Oh, you see already I have this domain, so I will change it. I will add development quick develop. So this is my subdomain. So here is the option for custom folder. If you want to create a custom folder here, you can create this, or it will be automatically on there. Okay, so I do not need this thing, or we can create a this folder. Okay, public.html, then will be this folder, then so inside this folder will be all our file. So just click on create. You will say subdomain create successfully. Okay, so the subdomain is done. You will see if I visit right now this one. So right now we need to nothing here. So right now we need to install WordPress here. So if I reload it, okay, we are create successfully the subdomain. That's why I highly recommend to you use HostingGate, because it's easy. You can manage everything by one click. Okay, I will put this link in my video description. You can you can use this link. I will get some commission from that, so if you want. So right now we need to install WordPress. So just click on WordPress, then overview. Okay, so then you will see here all my subdomain. So I need to click the new one, quick development. Okay, this is my subdomain, then just click on install. So you can put your title. So I just website, then you can put your email here. Okay, I just put my email. Then username you can put it's I think so it will be needed when you go to the login. Okay, so right now you need to put a password. So I will password generator. Yeah, I will let's generate a password from online. Okay, or we can use this. Later I will change this password, but right now I will add this password. So it is still loading. Let's check the other website. There is a lot of website for generate a password. Okay, so I just get 8 character generate. So this is my password right now. Okay, I will change it. So, and this is my new channel, guys, Ridoy Ian. You can subscribe now. Okay, I will upload all videos here. I already have a channel, Ridoy Notes. It's a Bangla language channel, but right now I make a video. I am trying to make video in English. Okay, so I just put this password and this. Okay, database password will be automatic create. Then no thanks, install. So it will take some time to install, but it's already okay. We'll see. So right now if I reload it, so booms, WordPress is installed here successfully. Then we need to click on this WP. admin. So right now we need to put our username, then the password, then login. Done. And I think guys, I think this video will help you a lot, and if you are new to me, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment and share your feedback. So thanks for watching guys.